guys, it's Gina. I want to thank the brand Pawzitive Pets for sending this over to me. If you are looking for a prebiotic and enzyme for your pet, these are ones you're going to want to check out. Let me tell you a little bit about them, and let's see what Flower thinks. Go. Looks like a winner to me. Flower definitely thinks so. I wanted to give you a close-up look about what they look like, and then I also want to tell you a little bit more about my experience with them. So the probiotic chews are made to support your dog's digestive health, gut balance, immune system, all the things, right? They also help with common issues like itchy skin, yeast, occasional diarrhea, which is great if your pup has a sensitive stomach. I also like that they include enzymes, so they're good at helping support digestion from multiple angles. What I do want to tell you, and it kind of makes me laugh, but this is what they look like. I've shown them close up. They are green, and I will tell you, I'm an adult, but I'm not good about eating green foods. So guess what? Out of the two dogs that we gave these to, one who eats everything and anything, right, ate the dog chew right away. The other one licked it a little bit, put it in her mouth, spit it out, licked it again, put it in her mouth again, spit it out again. So I want you to know that your dog may not eat this right out of your hand. You may need to put it in their food to kind of conceal it a little bit. I'm not sure what is in it that maybe might make a dog not like the taste. I'm certainly not going to taste it, but I do still think that this is a good support for your dog. So if you're looking for an easily daily digestive and allergy support supplement for your dog, this is definitely one to check out. But if your dog doesn't like it and won't eat it right out of your hand, try throwing it in their food.